Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest health products. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about supplements for gut health, the Bulletproof Unflavored Gut Health Collagen Protein. If you've been looking to improve your gut health or manage conditions like leaky gut syndrome, you've probably heard about collagen and its benefits. But what sets this product apart? Let's break it down. This isn't your ordinary collagen supplement. Bulletproof's Gut Health Collagen Protein isn't just about collagen peptides. It's a comprehensive blend designed to support your gut in multiple ways. Packed with probiotics, prebiotics, glycine, and zinc carnosine, it aims to nourish your gut lining and foster a healthy microbiome. Here's why it's gaining attention. It's formulated to address not just gut health but also joint support and skin elasticity. The grass-fed collagen peptides provide structural support to joints and bones, while also contributing to a healthy gut lining. What I particularly like about this product is its keto-friendly and non-GMO formula. It contains 0 grams of sugar and net carbs, making it suitable for those on low-carb diets without compromising on taste or effectiveness. In conclusion, if you're looking to invest in your gut health, Bulletproof Unflavored Gut Health Collagen Protein is a solid choice. Its blend of collagen peptides, probiotics, and prebiotics makes it stand out as one of the best. Prebiotic collagen proteins available today, especially for addressing conditions like leaky gut syndrome. Have you tried this product before, or are you considering it now? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that can help you live a healthier life.